Jessup Manufacturing was founded in 1956 by my grandfather. We originally began as a converter of genuine leather welt for baseball gloves. Today we are recognized as a global leader in adhesive coated films for the visual communication marketplace. We are producing products such as anti-slip tapes that prevent slips, trips, and falls. We also are a market leader in photoluminescent materials that are used for building evacuation and safety, as well as wide format digital products and durable labels. Jessup Manufacturing is very unique in that we are an application-driven business. We take pride in solving our customers' toughest application requirements. We currently operate a New Era pressure-sensitive adhesive coating and laminating line here at Jessup Manufacturing. New Era has been a tremendous partner to work with. With New Era technology, we've been able to significantly increase our capacity within our production facilities, allowing us to meet the growing needs of our customers. As we started looking for a new partner to build a coating line for us, we did all of our due diligence, and the one name that kept coming up as somebody we had to talk to was New Era. After we contacted New Era, they were different than all of the other machinery builders we talked to. Every other machinery builder started the conversation with, "This is what I can do for you." New Era started the conversation asking questions. They want to understand our business needs, but most importantly, our biggest manufacturing challenges so they could design a piece of equipment that solved what we needed done.
We actually interviewed many different equipment manufacturers. We found a bond with New Era through their dedication to adaptability, to listening to our needs, as opposed to just trying to sell us what they had. We had a unique situation where we had multiple different types of coating, which required multiple different coating head. Also, our automated splicing section. They engineered a solution specifically for that need, and then added another coating technology to the same coating head. We have a particular design with the film that requires conditioning before laminating, and they were able to manufacture a section that helped us condition the film to get better throughput and efficiency.
Working with New Era was an absolute pleasure. The level of collaboration and transparency that we had between their two organizations allowed us to design and install a piece of equipment on time, on budget, in the middle of the COVID pandemic.
This project was especially difficult. We've gone through many capital projects over the years at Jessup Manufacturing. It was important to build a trust from design, build, to installation, especially during a very difficult time during a global pandemic. We were able to use digital technology, phone calls, weekly meetings with engineering and upper management at Jessup Manufacturing to build a really good bond and working relationship throughout the whole process. Not only does the equipment do exactly what it's supposed to do, it's expanded our capabilities through design, and one of the things we really appreciate is New Era's commitment to development of their staff for not only our current needs, but future needs. The best part about the relationship with New Era is the combination of cultures that both organizations seem to have. Ownership, involvement, and really the strive to continue to do business on the long term. This is our first piece of equipment with New Era, but I assure you it won't be the last.